Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. 2021 C8 in a, I think it's a red mist, something like that. Full front rockers, A-pillars, roof strip, all covered in XPEL paint protection film, XPEL Ultimate Plus. Ceramic coated in the back with a XPEL Fusion. Wheels are done with the XPEL product as well, and calipers. The ceramic goes all the way back into the dish area, so the entire wheel. Mirrors are done, and the accent pieces on the rockers are done as well with PPF. And let's take a quick walk around this and just show you how we XPEL a car with XPEL's Ultimate Plus paint protection film. So let's just start with the front trunk and wrapping all those edges like this. Just had a vet come in here Tuesday. With these were cut out. They just notch it. They put a notch from here to achieve that corner without disruption. I don't know why they would do that, but everything hits there. And then the Chevrolet flag comes off. It's just two-way tape, and then we retape it and put it back on. It's that simple. So there's no disruption in the film. It's a consistent piece all the way across. Coming around, wrapping this all the way here, coming up into here. We don't take the headlight out. On this car, I wasn't able to wrap inside this crack. It's just some you can, some you cannot, but it terminates real tight, and on the fender as well. Coming around the back side, obviously. And then once we get here, we come around super tight, or we wrap on that little edge. This one won't let us. And then we come around here, real super tight, all the way across, up to the plastic, and then all the way down to the splitter. Same thing on that side, back to the front trunk and the fender, all wrapped in nice and tight. Coming around this back side, wrapped in, no lines on top. Coming around this mirror, everything nice and clean all the way to the edges. A-pillars, much the same, wrapping around this edge. Coming up to here, we're not gonna wrap that unless we take the top down, but most of the time it's got something happening from friction on this rubber, and it'll just damage the bra. And then coming around edge, wrapping this front end down into the windshield there. Plenty of paint there, plenty of edge. And then the rockers coming down below. And those guys, they go all the way under the car, and then into the car we wrap. So our line is right there, and it comes all the way into this edge. You can wrap in here with a separate piece, but this doesn't get covered. And then the ceramic's all on the back side, nice and shiny. Didn't come in that way, but it's leaving that way. And then the window film is the XPEL XR Plus 30% here. And we got our nice tight edge, no gaps. We don't want to see a gap like right here. Coming around our windshield, an 80, nice and clean. Keeps mostly the sun off of that leather, and mostly off of that heads-up display from damaging that plastic lens, and obviously keeps you cool. So there it is, folks. 2021 C8 XPEL paint protection film with the Fusion ceramic and the XPEL XR Plus. So this baby's all XPEL'd out and ready for the road, and in several years it'll look the same and be sold at a much higher figure than the car that rolled right next to it without any protection. So there you go. Any questions? clearbrownnorthdallas.com, or you can call us at 214-414-3809. And thanks for watching.